Strell is mainly for people who want to actually have their own website and want to rank their content on the first page of Google. And for that you get like three main modules with this, and the first one is the audit one, second one is the content editor, and this one is LCKR, means low competition keyword research tool. The user-face is really simple and easy to use, and this is available for a lifetime deal right now, and we'll talk about it later at the end. And now we'll see how all these work and how it will help us to get better ranking on search. So for example, I have this article on my website. So if I copy this link and paste it here, so this is for the term link post review. That's the keyword that I want to rank on Google, and I'll target the United States and language as English, and mainly will focus on the desktop or mobile, and the NLP needs to be turned on. So I need to see what the NLP terms the other competitors are using. See, it will go through your first top 10 competitors data and analyze that and cross match or cross reference that in order to see what is making them rank, right? So we need to add those keywords into our existing content in order to make the ranking better. So let's just click on run audit. You can target even some cities inside your country, so it's hyper targeted. So that's like a unique feature that's make this better. Normally we only see the country as such, but here you can see, you can select New York, you can select London, and you can select Mumbai in India. So there is that flexibility with this, so that you can hyper target to your audience. So it's really good for like local SEO. So let's just click on run audit. So as you can see, the audit is initiated. So let's just wait for this to finish, and it will consume 1 credit. So after like 3 minutes, the processing is complete. Let's just take a look at the report here. So once the audit is ready, you will see a report like this. Here you can export the data, you can share it as a link, and you can click on and select the competitors that you also want to select. So he selected 5 competitors because it felt like this is the most relevant one. You can manually select all these, or you can unselect and do a run the report again if you are not happy with the selection that the software made. So I'll just stick with this report for now, so you have that flexibility as well. So these are the suggestions here. The main keyword in the H1 title is missing, so need to create that. The number of H3s are like, I have like 123, and I need to reduce it to 113. So if you want, you can also see the details as a small graph. The title tag keywords are also shown. I need to add these keywords to my title, and I need to add these keywords to the H1 tag, and I need to add all these keywords to the H2 tag as well. So if you can just click, you can see how the H2 tag is for our competitors. And the main content keywords are also given like this. You have NLP terms here, and you have the headings here, you have like the titles here, and if you want to see all, you can see that as well. So the number of exact keywords in the title, You can see the number of elements. The number of H2 to H6 elements are like 46, and the recommended is around 41, so I need to reduce it. So this is how the report will look like, and if you want to export that, you can export it by clicking here, and it will be exported as an XLS sheet. And here you can see the words, title keywords, H1 keywords, S2 tag keywords, main content keyword. You can get all of these details inside this XLS sheet. So you have the relevancy score here and the ideal count and your count. You also have the people also asked. So these are the data that you will get when you export it, and it will look like this. So let's close that. So that's the content auditor. That is the audit tool for you, and so this is from where you can get the lifetime deal for Strell, and as you can see, it's available for just $59, and you get this for a lifetime, so you don't have to pay any monthly fees. Other than that, if you decided to buy the plan one, you get 30 audits and 5,000 low competitive keyword SERP credits per month, and for $118 you get around 10,000 LC SERP credits per month and 60 audits. And they also have like a team feature where you can add 3 users, and same goes for the plan 3 with $177, and you get 10 users, and you can stack up to like 10 codes, and that will be like 590. So the links for this will be in the description. So I'll be doing the next video on content editor and low competitive keyword research tool, and that's this one. And if you have used it before, please share your feedback in the comments, and if you liked it, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more future videos. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.